Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon, then hit enter. Type cd space c colon slash and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.